guys, this is Johnny Q, and I'm going to unbox the iPhone XS Max. I actually have never opened an actual iPhone out of the box. I've always gone to Sprint, and then they have to activate it for me, and they open it. They take off the laminated screen, they take it out of the box, and that's what I've always wanted to do. They've always done it the past 5-6 years, and I finally bit the bullet and I said, I'm gonna go buy that phone. I'm gonna tell them, hey, do not open it. I will open it. I will activate it. When you open an iPhone box, it's legendary. Everybody knows that feeling. Everybody waits for it. It's everybody's favorite thing. I got this yesterday and I waited one whole day. The iPhone. Look at this. There's that tab. Where's that tab? This is the tab that I've been referring to right here. See this tab? This is the tab that I've always wanted to pull away and unbox for myself. I finally get to do that. Pumped! Let's get to it. Here it is, guys, the iPhone X Max. iPhone made by Apple in the gold color. I'm pretty pumped about it. It is the, let's see here, 256 gigabyte model, just as shown. And again, here's that glorious little tab. Isn't that awesome? I'm so pumped. Okay, all right, let's get into the unboxing. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited just to pull this up. Oh yes. Wow, it's already coming out of the box. Look at that. That's already coming out of the box. Wow. Can I just say that was the most glorious thing I have experienced as far as packaging. That is awesome. Okay, cool. Anyway, here's the iPhone. You know what it does. You know what it is. I'm pumped. So it just comes out. Let's do that again. I'm sorry, but that was... I've seen other tutorials or other unboxings of the iPhone and they just try to get it out and they can't, all this other stuff, they do this. But I mean, I don't know why they just don't realize. It's literally perfect. So, some things for the lid, put that right there. Oh, have it upside down. It was designed by Apple in California. I mean, you guys know this stuff. It's all, hello, hola, perfect. Oh, they include that, awesome. And the stickers, awesome. These are a staple. Perfect, we'll keep that on the side there. Wow, there it is. Look at this, you can see my camera, you can see me. Hey guys, just perfect. There's that other tab again. Oh, I'm pumped about this. Look at that, look at this. Just pure gold, pun intended, pure shine. And apparently this glass is a lot more resistance than any other iPhone on the market, so I'm pretty pumped about that. I don't carry a case on mine. I've never dropped mine. I did crack my other iPhone X earlier this year climbing a mountain in Arizona, but it was very small. It was like right up here. Here it is. Let's pull this up. Oh, before we get into that, let's just save this. Got the brick charging mechanism right here. Charger brick. Ooh, it's got a nice feel. It's different. Let's see here. It's almost like a, never mind, guys. Oh, no, it is different. It's like almost like a grip, more of a grip on it. That's cool. Thank you. Ooh, another tab. Again, I'm so about these tabs because I've never been able to do it myself, but now they include it in here. Oh, look at that. Thank you, Apple. Can never have enough of these. Charging cable. We are good to go. Thank you so much. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Oof. I don't wanna do it now. Okay, let's do it here. Ready? Got this tab. Wow. Fits in my hand pretty well. That's pretty crazy. I like that a lot. I love that. Well, hello to you too. Let's swipe up. Choose our prompts. United States. Set it manually. Use cellular connection. Got some sweaty stuff there, but still, look. Data and privacy. Continue. Alright, we'll do some Face ID really quick. This thing is so... Look at it. How do I look? Okay. Oh. Okay, so I got my Face ID all locked in, good to go. The iPhone. Now I want to make a quick comparison with the previous iPhone. I don't have it with me, but this is the iPhone 8 Plus case. This is the iPhone 10. The first one that came out. So this is the iPhone 10. This is the iPhone 10X Max. Pretty crazy in size. Like it's not even the same if I try to get it in there. Like it's pretty, I can't get it over. So it's definitely wider, but look how much bigger it is. That is just crazy. Now, if I put the, I think it's, 8 Plus, if I put the iPhone 8 Plus case on the iPhone Max, it fits perfectly. Like, it's literally all screen as to what everybody has wanted. I've wanted an iPhone 8 Plus with all screen, and this is it, they delivered. But look at this case, it's pretty nice. Again, I'm not really one for a case. I like to freeball it. Just, I don't know, that kind of guy. Maybe I'll get a case for it, not sure. But this is the comparison, look at that. It's perfectly, obviously not the same. So, here it is. iPhone's all of its glory. 256 gigabytes. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please comment anything that you thought I missed or you want to see anything. Subscribe, like this video. Thanks a lot.